This is a Regent question from the January 2017 Algebra 1 Regent on the topic of rational and irrational numbers. It is number 28. The question asks us, Jacob is working on his math homework and he decides that the sum of the expression 1 over 3 plus 6 square root of 5 over 7 must be rational because it's a fraction. Is Jacob correct? Well, definitely his reasoning is incorrect, because when you have a rational number and you write it as a fraction, this only applies when it's actually a fraction with no square root in it. So let's say 1 over 5 is a fraction, 20 over 35 is a fraction, 19 over 26 is a fraction. All of these are fractions. But once we start putting square roots in the fractions, the square root of 6 over 5, or something over a square root of 5 over the square root of 6, these are no longer rational numbers unless we could actually write them as a fraction without the square root symbol. So let's see if we could write the 6 square root of 5 over 7. Let's see if we could write this term as a fraction without the square root. Let's try it on the calculator. So we're going to do alpha y equals to get the fraction menu, and we're going to do enter because we want numerator over denominator. So we're doing 6 square root of 5 over 7. Now we're going to see, can the calculator convert this to a fraction for us? Math, frac, enter. The calculator could not convert this to a fraction for us, and therefore it is irrational. And whenever we're adding a rational number, because we have the rational number 1 over 3, whenever we're adding a rational number and an irrational number, we're always going to get an irrational number. Therefore, Jacob is incorrect. 1 over 3 plus 6 square root of 5 is not a rational number, because you could not write that 6 square root of 5 over 7 as a fraction without the square root symbol. Therefore, it is not rational.